Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID credentials and any two-factor devices. This avoids lockouts. Once ready, open Applid. Apple. Com on a browser or go to Settings your name on your iPhone to access account details. Make sure you are on a secure network and signed in. This is why devices with two-factor codes should be nearby. Next, locate the name, phone numbers, email section. This is the first actionable place where you change the personal name shown on outgoing mail. Once you're in the name section, click Edit or tap the name field to begin. Change your first and last name to how you want recipients to see you, use proper capitalization, and avoid emojis. After typing, press Save. Apple may prompt for a two-factor authentication code. Enter it from your trusted device. Once saved, the new name propagates to mail headers for new messages. If you use multiple Apple devices, make sure they sync so the updated display name appears everywhere. Finish by composing a new message to yourself or a colleague to confirm the display name shows correctly in the From header. If the old name still appears, sign out of iCloud or Mail on affected devices and sign back into Force Sync. Also restart the Mail app. Make sure iCloud, Com and each device's settings reflect the same name. If problems continue, check for cached sender identities in your mail client and clear or update them to resolve lingering mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.